Hi everyone, it's G here, and I'm doing a reaction video. Now this is the first reaction video I'm doing on this channel, and I don't know, maybe I'll start a second channel just for doing reaction videos. And I'm reacting to epic cartoon made rap battles, Ice Bear versus Big Macintosh. And I'm gonna say, Ice Bear is gonna win because, I like Ice Bear. Okay, without further ado, let's begin.
Cartoon made rap battles.
Okay, good intro.
Big Mac versus Ice Bear. Ice Bear spits and serves in hearts and all the wishes while you're up out as cold and uptight as his living conditions versus space and other rappers spits his quick and medley. This Ice Bear's aggressive and more updated his body go making his red face like a this. I'm like this and this is and you like your rivals expecting the one of business. Ice Bear's his fellow hero that run murders. So I think this will be this week of massacre.
Oh, nice. Get him, Ice Bear. Oh! Oh, it's good. Oh my god, this was an amazing battle. That last verse of Macintosh, he comparing them to Care Bear, really? Okay, anyway, my decision has been made. Ice Bear won, cause his last verse, like, Ice Bear doesn't take shit from a pony, like, that was just so awesome. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to go to Epic Cartoon Made Rap Battles. They are just boss. They are boss. They're the bosses, and like, they're super epic. And check out the videos. Subscribe to them. Like the videos. And thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and leave a comment down below on what you think. What the heck? And please comment down below on what you think I should react to next. G out.